Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Descent MK1 Sapphire, and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can open it by pressing and holding the up/menu button. So press and hold it. Once the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu, find the settings option and select it. And once you select settings, press the start button to enter. Now scroll down by pressing the down button. Find the Wi-Fi option. Once you find it and select it, press the upper button, the start button rather, and here scroll down, find the option called My Networks. Select it and press the start button, and here you should see the option called Add Network. Once you select it, press the start button. The watch will look for the nearby networks, and once it finds it, scroll through the list, find the network you want to connect to. Once you find it, select it, press the start button, and if it's protected by password, you will need to enter the password. And to enter it, use the up and down buttons to scroll through the keyboard, and basically press the start button to type in, like this. Okay, so give me a second, I'm gonna enter the password. Okay, and once you enter the password and confirm, you will see that the connection is successful. And after the watch connects to the Wi-Fi network, it will appear right here on the list of My Networks. And if you select the option Connect to Wi-Fi, it will basically search for your networks, and it should connect to the one that has the best range or best reception. As you can see now, it's transferring the data, and it should be connecting to the network like this. Okay, and that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.